How to combine photos together on iPhone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to combine photos into a photo collage on your iPhone for free, and you won't even need to download any apps. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So the tool we're going to be using to do this is going to be a tool that I actually created called convertresize.com. Now I made convertresize.com because I wanted to be able to recommend a tool that doesn't require you to upload any of your files or photos to a server. So all the tools on this website work directly within the browser on your iPhone. Nothing gets uploaded to a server, meaning it's very private. Once you get to convertresize.com, simply select the search bar and just type collage. You'll see Photo Collage Builder come up, select that. And then the first thing we need to do is choose the photos that we want to be combined or used in our collage. So I'm going to choose File, I'm going to go to Photo Library, and then we just need to find the photos that we want to include in our photo collage, and then select Add. Once they get added, you'll see a quick preview in the bottom left of what your photo collage looks like. You can change the order of the photos by simply long pressing and then just dragging it over to where you want it to be. And if you scroll down, you'll see the full photo collage down there. So after that, we have tons of different settings. We could shuffle the images if we want to. And as you can see that it just changes the order. We could choose the layout to grid, horizontal strip, vertical strip, or freeform. And that's where you can kind of drag and drop and pinch and zoom to change the size or the angle of them. If you want to have a very customized photo collage, I'm just going to do the grid. So down here we have some different styles that you can change. You can add a background color if you want to customize the color of the background, and this will change the entire background. So if you want to add an outer border, it'll be the color of that as well. Now with the border, you can have it be a gradient if you want to. So I'm just going to do radial, which will be the center, and then you could choose that gradient color as well. As you can see, it kind of looks really cool. You could also add a border to your photo and choose a custom color to that. And you can round the corners of your photo so it looks really nice like that. I'm just going to shrink it down. And then we can even add a shadow around our actual photos. Now, if you want to change the canvas size, maybe for social media, you can customize it, or it could be for IG. You could do TikTok, Pinterest, HD, whatever you want to do, you could choose the size there and it'll reflect it right here. Now, once you're done customizing and you want to download the actual combined photo, go down here and we could choose the format. JPEG's probably fine, but if you're really worried about the quality, select PNG. So I'm going to select download collage. And if I want to download it as a file, I select download. But if I want to save it to my camera roll, select view and then long press the image and select save to photos. So now when I open up the Photos app, you can see that that is the most recent photo in my Photos app. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel.